Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and we have a real treat for you guys today. We are going to check out this mobility scooter. This thing goes up to 6 miles an hour and it's 25 miles on a single charge. It's comfortable, it's foldable, so you can easily put it in your car. You can walk with this, you can reverse it, you can choose your level of speed, and it's even all-terrain, meaning if you need to go in an elevator or over a speed bump or around the yard, this is a perfect solution for you. I'm going to show you all about it, give you some up-close details, more about the specs, and of course some footage of using this and using it in action. I think you guys are really going to love it, so stick around.
We're taking a closer look at the PAISEEC S3 mobility scooter, a compact, foldable, and all-terrain mobility solution designed for convenience and comfort. Let's dive into its standout features and why it might be a perfect choice for you or a loved one. So first up, the PAISEEC S3 is equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery. It offers an impressive 25-mile range on a single charge. So that's more than enough for a full day out and about, whether you're running your errands or you're just enjoying a leisurely ride through the neighborhood. One of the best features of this scooter is its easy two-step folding design. It weighs just over 70 pounds, and it folds up compactly, and it can fit easily into the trunk of your car. For a mobility scooter this powerful, that's pretty lightweight, and it's incredibly portable. So let's talk about performance. It has a robust 250-watt motor and large 10-inch rear tires, so the S3 handles diverse terrains with ease. Whether you're riding on gravel, grass, or pavement, the scooter ensures a smooth ride. It even has the ability to clear obstacles up to 2.76 inches high. Safety is a top priority with the PAISEEC S3. The anti-rollover safety system automatically reduces speed on slopes and tight turns, and the seat sensor will ensure that the scooter only starts when you're safely seated. Plus, there's a voice alert system to warn you of any dangerous road conditions. For ease of use, the controls are really intuitive. You just press to accelerate and release, and you immediately stop. The large display screen keeps you informed of your speed and battery life at a simple glance. With 3 speed modes, you can go up to 6.2 miles per hour. Or, of course, you can choose slower settings depending on your needs and environment. Also, check this out. The scooter comes with a handy basket that can carry up to 8.8 pounds of your belongings. In this case, I've got some snacks, a few books, and a water bottle. This basket is perfect for shopping trips or running errands. Another smart feature is the bright LED headlight. It ensures that you can safely navigate in low light conditions. There's even a built-in horn for added safety. With a maximum load capacity of 265 pounds and a durable design, this is certainly built to last. The brushless motor is designed for up to 10 years of daily use, making the scooter a reliable companion for years to come. Overall, this scooter is perfect for anyone looking for convenience, safety, and versatility in a lightweight and also foldable design. Whether it's for daily use or special trips, this scooter offers everything you need for a smooth and comfortable ride.
Thank you guys again for sticking with me for this incredible video. I think this is a very interesting product. It's something that's going to help a lot of people out. And honestly, I'm super excited that something like this exists. And I really hope that this is something that's on some gift lists this holiday season, some must-haves for your friends and family, for anyone that you know that could live a better quality of life with something so useful and so safe and so easy to use. It's an absolute no-brainer. Definitely check out all of those links in the description below. I'm gonna leave you all the information, pass it on to you, and it's your job to now go ahead and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.